Hey, Daisy. Look. Play. Look at. Here. Daisy. Daisy. Over here. Oh. Okay. Come on, come. She's gonna chew it. Hey, look down this. Oh, it's gonna put it on her head. Yeah, she won't. What's this? Okay. Come on. Easy. Brayden, come on. I'm coming. Is it your bones? Yeah. Do your bones hurt? No. Easy. Me neither. Lick it. Get your shark. Get it. Get it. Get the shark. Get the shark. Shark. My shark. Mine. Mine. Ow. No. Give me that. All the way back here. Where are you? Oh. Hey, Brayden. Can you go get your jacket and stuff on? Okay. Hey, Daisy, look. Look at your dinosaur. Look at. Look. Come get it. Come get your dinosaur. Oh! Daisy, look at. Look at. Get it. Get it. Get your dinosaur. Get your dinosaur. Get your dinosaur. Hello. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get your dinosaur. Get your dinosaur. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on, get it. 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 Get your dinosaur. Get it. Okay. Are you tired?
Brayden, what did I ask you to do?
I know.
Well, come on. What the heck is going on there? Clean it up.
the goofy dog knocked everything down when she had her dinosaur.
Well, she shouldn't be playing with him by the table.
No, she wasn't. I let it go. She flew, and I let it go at the wrong time. She swinged and hit
Pick up the mat.
into the heater. I did, and then she jumped onto the table there and jumped onto the table. Meant to jump onto the couch, but she slipped on her paws and she knocked everything down, fell down, and then she just went and had a drink. Silly dog.